Do you ever feel like you can't concentrate because your mind is all over the place? You know, the feeling when you're constantly distracted by random thoughts and can't remember what you were doing? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. Many of us are familiar with this brain fog. In this video, we're going to talk about simple habits that can help you regain mental clarity. These habits are like little keys that can unlock a clearer, more focused mind. But that's not all. By the end of this video, you'll not only know these habits, but you'll also have a sneak peek into how they can transform your life. Say goodbye to the mental clutter and hello to a more organized, less stressed you. So if you're tired of feeling like your brain has too many tabs open, stick around because we're about to clear things up. Here are habits that may help boost your mental clarity. Habit number 1, clear your mind. One habit you should make a regular part of your routine is doing some mental house cleaning. When you clear your mind, you're essentially decluttering your thoughts and making space for clear thinking. Think of it as taking out the mental garbage. But how do you clean up your thoughts? One useful way is to do a brain dump. You can do this by making a habit of writing in a journal. It's like pouring out all those extra thoughts and feelings that don't need to take up valuable space in your mind. Spend some time each day getting those thoughts out of your head and onto paper. This process helps you go from having a cluttered mind to becoming more mindful. You're essentially purging what you don't need and keeping what you want to focus on. Another way to clear your mind is by using a calendar to jot down important dates and appointments. When you schedule things in a way that you can easily check and review, you don't have to rely on your memory for everything. For example, if your dentist appointment is still 2 weeks away, you don't have to remind yourself about it every day. Just check your calendar to stay on top of what's coming up, and let your mind stay free to focus on your daily tasks in the meantime. It's all about keeping your mind clutter-free and focused. Habit number 2, take regular breaks. Your brain, like a hard-working machine, requires breaks to prevent being overwhelmed. Compare it to a busy dock receiving ships. Without unloading the cargo, it gets crowded. Similarly, taking breaks creates mental space. Ensure your brain gets rest at night, like workers at the dock. Adequate sleep refreshes your brain, aiding memory, problem-solving, and focus. It prepares you for the next day. Lack of sleep leads to sluggishness and irritability. Thus, take regular breaks to keep your mind sharp and ensure sufficient sleep to optimize your brain's performance. Habit number 3, daily meditation. Meditation is a valuable habit offering immediate calm and long-term benefits. Start with 5-10 minutes and progress to 20-30 minutes. Gandhi famously said, "I must meditate for 2 hours instead of 1 because it enhances productivity." Simply sit, close your eyes, and focus on your breath, letting go of intrusive thoughts. Use a timer to stay on track. Aromatherapy can complement meditation with scents like peppermint for clarity, rosemary for memory, and citrus for mood. Diffusing these oils in your workspace can boost mental clarity, leaving you more grounded, mindful, and ready to face your day with serenity. Habit number 4, prioritize what's important. When your mind is crowded with thoughts vying for attention, it's hard to think clearly, so focus on what truly matters. If your head is spinning with your daily tasks, jot them down. This step gives you a fresh view, and you can group tasks. Moving thoughts to paper helps you organize and set priorities. Scattered thoughts won't help you achieve much. Begin with the most crucial task and tackle others one by one. Habit number 5, take a walk. A straightforward yet powerful method to sharpen your thinking is to go for a walk. But how can something so simple impact our thoughts so significantly? Why does it seem to freshen up our minds? One explanation lies in the increased blood flow that walking brings. When more blood flows to your brain, it triggers the release of endorphins. These are special chemicals that uplift our mood, ease stress, and alleviate discomfort. Throughout history, many brilliant minds turn to long walks for inspiration and problem solving. Walking stands as one of the most prevalent ways to enhance mental clarity and banish the cloud of confusion from our minds. Habit number 6, be mindful of what you consume. What you eat or drink has an impact on your thinking, whether for better or worse. Coffee and green tea, with their caffeine kick, might give you a quick energy jolt, but they won't address the root causes of your cloudy thoughts. Choosing nutritious foods and steering clear of overly salty or sugary options can keep your brain in good shape. An excess of carbs and sugar can send your blood sugar levels on a roller coaster, leaving you feeling down, tired, and on edge. Studies suggest that consuming brain-boosting foods such as leafy greens, berries, walnuts, and fatty fish can enhance your mental clarity. Clearing your mind, practicing healthy activities, and embracing self-care can make it easier to maintain mental clarity and reach your goals. That's all for today's video. If you found our content valuable, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful videos.